is security camera and privacy. I am Samskriti Gaikwad.
I am Arya Mehndipalli.
I am Jadhav. I am Vishnu Chakra.
I am Sonia Korpade.
I am saying
So security cameras are widely used to ensure the safety and monitor public and private space. However, are raised corners above the personal privacy. Let's begin your views.
Thank you, Sonia. I believe the security cameras are essential for today's world, and they act as deterrent to crime and help law enforcement and ensure the safety of people. It is
CCTV document. I want to add that some security cameras give evidence in case of accident and crimes, and without identifying it's much harder. Maybe both points are valid. Security cameras are acceptable in social places, but when they are placed in hotels, rooms, or homes, maybe there is a privacy concern.
That's the valid part, but facial recognition itself raises issues. If cameras are misused, it can be used by government or any corporation.
I believe transparency is the solution. If security cameras are installed, then people should be informed about it.
Yes, you are right. Even though the technology is useful, it can be misused. For example, financial recognition, the people can trade without their permission.
Maybe we want to follow some strict rules, and government should make some strict rules about cameras, and also people want to follow some ethics about that, so we can protect our privacy.
Yes, this is true, and it can help to improve clearance and ethical value.
We cannot ignore the difference on invasion of privacy that make people feel like they are safe under the system. Design security cameras promote a safe environment and employment customer.
If the too many cameras can lead to the society where the people think they are watched. For the people, this well-being they are not useful. But now
In some countries, surveillance is used to suppress the freedom of speech.
Strict laws must be enforced because to prevent misuse of surveillance footage. I think technology should enhance security, but not compromise about privacy.
Yes, you are right. Maybe we should make the balance between our privacy and security cameras, because both play the important roles. Security is also important and privacy should be protected. So we want to follow some certain criteria to protect both criteria, both groups, and maybe security cameras are very useful as well as our privacy is also a sensitive point. So we must follow some ethics, strict rules, and maybe we are over here. Thank you so much everyone to share your thoughts with us. And maybe the conclusion is the balance between both the points and their needs. Thank you so much.
In public places like malls, airports, and offices, security cameras have successfully reduced and even quelled the crimes.
But also in some private spaces, security camera affects the privacy of people and also make some serious issues about it.
Security cameras are useful for business because they protect assets and provide evidence for legal scenarios.
Also for government and police, security cameras are very useful and they help to find the criminal and also solve the crime cases.
And various locations, and it can be installed in various locations and commonly used for remote control and monitoring.
And also we can think about the privacy, because the point of privacy is also serious.
Security cameras creates surveillance footage misuse of surveillance footage.
We have to law to protect the privacy, and then camera can help the keep the safe without crossing the lines.
So my conclusion is the balance between the both cameras and security and privacy, because security is also important of us, and as well as our privacy is also, so both should be protected. And also the conclusion of this group discussion is we want to follow some certain rules, and also government should make this strict rules about the cameras, because our privacy is also as important as the cameras. So key is the balance between the both the points, and also society should follow the some ethical values, some rules, and also concern about the other privacy as well as their privacy. And cameras are also useful, we can't ignore them. So we should follow some rules to maintain the balance between the cameras and the privacy. Thank you.